Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Zelle with a small business account. In order to use Zelle with small business account, you could do this following steps. First thing first, you could log in with your online banking account and select Zelle. The next thing you could do is enroll with your email address and a phone number, and you could receive a one-time verification code and accept the terms and conditions. So basically, to use Zelle with a small business account, you could use it to send or receive money or funds. You could do this both. So first thing, you need to make sure to select contact from your device and add a trusted recipient's email address or United States mobile number. Enter the exact amount that you want to transfer or send and add an optional note. Next thing you could do is review and select the band. After that, to receive money, you could share your enrolled email address or a United States mobile number or a QR code with your customer. Ask them to send you a payment with Zelle. So Zelle is available to most people with a bank account that is in the United States. Transactions usually happen within minutes between the enrolled users. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next